In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up product variants in Sellfy. If you sell items that come in different versions, like sizes, colors, file formats, or bundles, variants let you keep everything under one product while giving customers clear choices. It's cleaner for your store and easier for shoppers to pick exactly what they want. First, log into your Sellfy account and head to the Products section. From here, you can either add a new product if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing product if you're updating something you already sell. Both paths lead you to the product editor, where you'll set up the variant options. Inside the product editor, look for the variants area and click Add option. This is where you define the type of choice customers will see. Think of it like size, color, or format. Once the option is created, you'll add the specific variants and customize their details so each one is clear and accurate. For each variant, set the name to describe it precisely, such as red, large, or PDF version. Next, adjust the price if needed. You can keep the same price as your main product or set a unique price for that variant. If you track inventory, add the stock amount to reflect what you have available. Stock is especially important for physical products, so customers don't purchase something you can't fulfill. Add an SKU for each variant to keep your internal tracking organized. SKUs help you quickly identify what's sold and simplify your reports and restocking. Then upload a thumbnail or image for the variant. This is a small step that makes a big difference because customers feel more confident when they can see exactly what they're selecting. A clear photo or graphic tied to each variant reduces confusion and returns. If you're selling a digital product, attach the specific files that belong to that variant. For example, you might upload a different file for a standard license versus an extended license, or separate files for different language versions. Attaching files per variant ensures the right content is delivered automatically after purchase. When you're happy with everything, click Save and Publish. Your changes go live, and your product page will now display the variant options for shoppers to choose from before checkout. This streamlined flow helps customers make the right selection the first time, which leads to fewer support requests and a better buying experience. That's it. Your product variants are set up and ready to go.